Right, so I decided to take on Chloe Ting's 2-week shred challenge. I had seen so many people rave about it online, and I thought, why not give it a shot? After all, how hard could it be, right? And let me tell you, I am not what you'd call fit. In fact, I'm probably the furthest thing from it. More like chronically out of breath. I get winded just walking up a flight of stairs. But hey, why not give it a go, right? Maybe this could be the start of a new, fitter me. Day 1, and I was already questioning my life choices. The warm-up alone had me gasping for air. Chloe's workouts are no joke. They are intense, and they push you to your limits. It's like she knows exactly how to make you feel every single muscle in your body. Muscles I didn't even know existed. The warm-up felt like a marathon, and the actual workout? Pretty sure I saw my soul leave my body. I was drenched in sweat and my legs felt like jelly. But I pushed through, albeit with a lot of breaks. I had to remind myself that it was okay to take it slow. By day 3, my entire body was sore. Every movement was a reminder of the previous workouts. Walking up the stairs felt like climbing Everest. I was seriously considering installing an elevator in my house, but I was surprised at how quickly my stamina started to build. Each day I could do a little more. Don't get me wrong, I was still dying by the end of each session, but I was dying a bit less, and that felt like progress. Midway through the challenge, I hit a wall, mentally and physically. I was exhausted, and my motivation was waning. I couldn't get through a single exercise without feeling like I needed a nap. It was tough. But then I remembered why I started. I wanted to challenge myself and see what I was capable of. I wanted to prove to myself that I could do it no matter how unfit I was. I wanted to push my limits. So I kept going. I pushed through the pain and the fatigue. By day 10, something amazing happened. I started to actually enjoy the workouts. I know, shocking, right? I was still sweating buckets and taking breaks, but I was feeling stronger, more energetic. It was a great feeling. I was still sweating buckets and taking breaks, but I was feeling stronger, more energetic. It was a great feeling. Chloe's encouragement really kept me going. Her positive energy was contagious. Her positive vibes are infectious. Finally, day 14, the day I had been waiting for. I did it. I survived. I completed the challenge. Was it easy? Absolutely not. It was one of the hardest things I've ever done. But was it worth it? 100% yes. The sense of accomplishment was incredible. I didn't lose a ton of weight or suddenly get ripped, but I felt accomplished. I felt like I had achieved something significant. More importantly, I felt healthier and happier. My energy levels were up, and I felt more positive. So can an unfit person survive Chloe Ting's 2-week shred challenge? Absolutely. Yes, with a lot of determination and a willingness to push through the pain. It's all about mindset. If I can do it, anyone can. Trust me, if I can survive this, so can you. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. It's about progress, not perfection. All right, that's it from me. I hope my journey inspires you to start your own. If you're thinking about trying Chloe's challenge, go for it. You might surprise yourself. You might discover a strength you never knew you had. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness adventures. Your support means the world to me. See you in the next one.